Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use a link from Book Creator to read an electronic book on the computer. Now, when you receive the link to electronic book, you can use any device, like for example, a mobile phone or a tablet to read. But if you want to find all the facilities that can help you read the book well, you can use a computer, a laptop or a desktop computer. Now, when you have the link to the electronic book on Book Creator, all you have to do, if it's on the computer, you can click on it and the link will open. Otherwise, you can copy the link and paste it on any browser that you use. You maybe have to choose, if you want to choose the best one, you can choose Microsoft Edge, you can choose Google Chrome, and if you're using Apple products, you might use Safari in order to use the electronic book. Now, when you open the browser, all you have to do is to go to the address bar. If you have already copied the link, you can go click, select the link that you have here, and then you paste the link to the electronic book. You can either erase here, right click and choose paste, or you can press on Ctrl V and then you paste the link. Now you press enter or you click on the button in the address bar if you have it in order to go and search for the page. Now once you press enter, you will receive this page which is showing you the book that you will be reading. It gives you like information about the book. You can read it. This is the title of the book, the author of the book, and the number of readers who read this book. Now, if you want to start reading the book, you have to click on Read Now, and you see that the book now is available for you. You can flip the pages by clicking on the arrows here. If you want to go back, you click on the left one. If you want to go forward, you can click on the right one. You can move between the pages. You might find some text to read, you find images, you find some links, videos, and even audio in order to check the book or to read the information and understand it. Now, there are some other buttons that you can find here on the top. They can help you to do some work while we're reading the book. Like, for example, you will prefer to read on a full screen, so you can click here to make full screen mode. And if you want to exit, it tells you that you have to press on ESC in order to exit. The other button here is to share. This button will be just maybe to share some information, to try to print it out. If you want to have it printed out, you can print it out, but you're not going to have all the facilities in case you have a video, you have a link to maybe in an audio file. You won't be able to access it if you print it out. You can also share if you have like a classroom in Google Classroom, or maybe if you want to have it, like to have a link on another website. Now, on the next button, if you click on it, you have some settings that you can change. The first one says side by side pages. Now, you know that on each page here that you flip, you will find two different pages. If you want to see one page only, you can disable this choice and it will be one page only. If you want to see the two pages together, you can click on it again and you will find the two pages together again. The other option here is read to me, because on the electronic book here and Book Creator, you will be able to read the book or to ask the computer to read the book for you. So you can click on the arrow here and then you choose the language that you prefer. Since the book here is written in English, you better choose English. You will have a list of different languages depending on the device that you're using and the language that you speak. Now we'll click on English because, as we said, this book is English. And you will find many different accents here and many different readers. If you want to try to see how they read, you can just click on it. The one that has the tick is the one that is chosen. So if we choose this one, for
Microsoft
example,
George, English, United Kingdom.
when you click on it, it will make like an introduction. It will say or it will pronounce some words to show you how this reader will read the book. Now, if you are comfortable with one of the readers, you can keep the tick next to the name and then you go back to the settings. You will see the name of the reader here as well as the accent that this reader uses. Now for the other options here, if you would like to see the words highlighted while they are read, you can keep this enabled, or if you want to disable it, you can disable it and try it. If you want to play the multimedia, if you want to keep the multimedia played, so if you have something like a video, audio, or something else, you can enable this button here. You can keep it enabled, or you can disable it in case you don't want to have it while you're reading. And if you want to have the pages turned automatically, which means when it starts reading, it will start from the page that you are on and then it will turn automatically to the next pages. You can enable this button or you can disable it if you would like to do so. If you want to change the speed of the reader, so you can slow down or you can read fast, you can change it from the slider that you have here by clicking on the button to change. So you mainly have three different speeds. So you can choose the main one or the default one that we have is the one in the middle. And this is actually the one that is preferred. But if you want to slow it down to maybe read slowly, you can click on this one. Or if you want it to read fast, you can click on the other one. Now, when you are comfortable with all the settings here, all you have to do now is to click on Read to Me. Wherever the page you are on, it will start reading. Let's take this example now. I click on Read to Me and I'll see what will happen.
Starting images. In this module you will 1. Use simple shapes and lines to create pictures or patterns. 2. Edit pictures using visual effects. 3. Add details to an existing picture, using straight lines or geometric shapes. 4. Copy or delete a character or object. 5. Use Save As to store edited pictures. Introduction. Creating.
Now, if you have noticed, the reader was reading and the pages were flipped themselves because we have chosen to flip them automatically. If you want to stop this choice, you can stop it and you can do the pages page by page. Now, this is everything about Book Creator and how to read electronic books if you receive a link. As I said, it works on many different platforms, but if you would like to have all these facilities as well as having a book read electronically, you better use a computer. You can have a desktop computer, a laptop, or any other type of computer that will let you have a full screen and will let you have read to me option. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.